In this Cointiply review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really earn Bitcoin on this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Cointiply is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So let's jump into the video. So Cointiply is basically a GPT style website, which means you can get paid to do certain tasks, certain surveys, or certain offers that you can complete, and you're going to be getting paid for every task that you do. So the cool thing about Cointiply is that most GPT style website, they pay through Cash App or PayPal or Pioneer they basically pay through cash, but for Cointiply they are going to pay via Bitcoin. So that's the cool thing about Cointiply, and it's kind of unique for a GPT style website to have a payment option as cryptos. So I'll show you everything. I'll just log into all of this and show you how it really works. So this is the dashboard of Cointiply, and this is what you're going to pop up with after you have logged in. And you have quite a lot of ways to actually make money with Cointiply. I'm going to tell you guys how much you can be making soon. So if you look at the activity and payments option, you can see you can withdraw coins. This is how you withdraw your money. Before that, let me show you how you can earn money. So there are a lot of things which you can do in order to make money. Usually GPT style website don't really provide a lot of things. Most GPT style website are focused on just one thing. So let's say just surveys, but for Cointiply, they have offer walls, complete survey, install mobile apps, watch videos, and so on. So I'm going to look at everything, and let me explain all of that. So the first one is offer walls. So offer wall is basically you have to download certain offers, and maybe you have to fill in your credit card details, and you have to reach certain level. If suppose it's a game, you have to reach to a certain level in order to get the points. So if you look here, Water Sword Master 3D, so it's a game. And if you play it here, and if you complete to level 50, you will get 500 coins, level 100, 1200 and 200 coins, then level 2000, 6000 coins. So the thing you guys have to remember that it's not really necessary that you're going to complete all these level. You should it's not necessary that you're like this good at gaming. So most people, if you are like really good in gaming, I suggest you go ahead and try completing it. But if you're not really good at gaming, and if you can't earn these coins, then I really don't suggest if you this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this video, as I'm going to show you another website which can really help you. So that's one way to make money, and the other way is that you can complete surveys. So let me show you some surveys. So these are some surveys that you can be doing. You are going to be getting like 22,000 coins if you complete this, and the estimated time is about 20 minutes. And you have 2,000 coins here, estimate time 15 minutes, 800 coins, which is 7 minutes, then 3,000 coin, which is 40 minutes, and so on. So with surveys, you guys can actually make quite some money if you really invest a lot of time into these websites. You can see they have partnered with these big companies like CPX Research, Theorem Reach, Time Wall, your surveys, and all of that to provide you a lot of surveys. So that's actually great. Another way is install mobile apps, and this is also a very good way that you can be making money. So there are quite a lot of videos that there's quite a lot of games that you can install, and then you can make money with that. And then you have watch videos. This is something I really don't recommend, because making money watching video is not the right way to make money, because they don't really pay a lot of money. You will need to at least watch 10 videos to make 1 cent. They really pay out very very less. So which is why I don't really recommend you guys to go through the video section. I really don't want you to go there. So if you want to withdraw, you have to go to activity and payments and go to the withdraw coins. So you basically have 4 ways to actually make money. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 ways. So Doge wallet, Dash wallet and LTC wallet and Bitcoin wallet. So I'm going to tell you how much the coins are worth. So you need a minimum of 50,000 coins in order to withdraw with your Bitcoin wallet. So that's how much coins you will need. And if you ask me how much these coins are worth, so 10,000 coins is equal to $1. So that means for you guys to withdraw, your minimum threshold to get into your Bitcoin wallet should be at least $5, which is pretty normal for a GPT style website. If you want to go ahead with it, you can go ahead. Then you have Doge, Dash and LTC. And the cool thing about it is that you don't need a lot of coins. You just need 30,000 coins in order for you to get your minimum threshold. And basically it's $3 in order to withdraw through these 3 wallets. So that's how the withdrawal section works. If you ask me how much money you can be making with this app every single day, if you really work on this website probably like 3 hours or 4 hours, you could be potentially making $2 to $4 per day. So that's the maximum amount of money you could be making. If you are from a big country like the US, Canada, UK, English speaking countries, you're going to be getting a lot more offers that pays a lot of money. So if you're from these countries, you could be potentially making a lot more money, but it's not going to change your life or anything. It's just $2 to $4 every 3 to 4 hours that you work. So it's really not a lot of money. Maybe you can get up to $5 per day, but it's going to take a lot of your time and effort. So if you are part of the world where $2 to $4 per day is a lot of money for you people, you can then probably go to Cointiply and do that. So that's basically it for this video of Cointiply. Now if you're still here and if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about 1,000, 5,000 to up to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, I have my recommended strategy, which has personally helped me to go from 0 to almost $10,000 per month. If you want this free affiliate marketing guide, just click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.